So I am out here with Stacy at French Prairie Gardens, and Stacy, clearly fall has landed here at your place. It's lovely.
Yes.
So one of the things I wanted to jump right into, first of all, you have a great selection of pumpkins.
Yes.
Tell me, first of all, how many do you guys grow?
We grow over 30 different varieties, and then we also grow squash and gourds, so there's lots of different things to choose from for your fall decor.
And then just tell me, you have to have one that is your favorite, because I certainly do. Tell
My
me.
personal favorite is this new one, and it is just great. I love all the bumps on it, and then it's even nice because this one has the green in it too.
Yeah.
So,
and instantly, I love this tricolor one. The minute I saw it, I went, that is so super cool.
Yeah.
And the thing I love about the availability of these, because not only because they're really different and unique, but you guys still have all of the great stuff that we think about for fall generally too.
Yes, yeah. So we'll have the corn stalks, and we also grow mums. But then, we also still have the garden center in full swing. We have perennials and shrubs to choose from if something happened to die this last summer that you need to replace.
Then you still are available to do that.
Oh, yes.
And let's not forget, you still have the wonderful food inside as well.
Oh, yes. Yep. Bakery's open. We have pies and pumpkin bars and all sorts of goodies this time of year.
But every year, you guys, since I think 2002, you've had a wonderful derby. Let's go out there and see what's going on, all right?
Sounds good.
So, Stacy, that is the derby.
It is. It's our Pigtucky Derby, and we've been doing it for years and years.
And it's very unique. I mean, you can't go someplace else and see this.
Yep, the only ones in Oregon. We're the only ones that do pig races in Oregon.
Oh, that's absolutely hysterical. So tell me, that only happens on the weekends though, right?
Yes, that's one of our weekend activities, and what's great about it is there's a little skit that my dad and my brother do, Farmer John and Farmer Eric, and they kind of teach you about the pigs, and then they do some fun, corny pig jokes, and then you'll see the pigs run around the track, and it's all sorts of fun.
But on the weekends, everything is open. All the stuff that's happening. Tell me a little bit about
all the
other
activities.
Stuff.
Oh yeah, we have giant slides, and we have obstacle course. We have the pig barrel train rides, the tractor wagon ride, and of course you can visit the pumpkin patch to purchase pumpkins.
And you've got a corn maze.
Yes, corn maze, screen maze,
for the young
kids maze.
and the old. I mean, so it's more than one.
Oh yes.
And then of course, if people get hungry, they can always go inside and get some food.
Yes. Our Farmer's Fries open. We have fresh curly fries, hand-dipped corn dogs, everything for your heart's desire.
Well, Judy and I have actually been to this derby before, and we thought it was hysterical and so much fun. So for more information on how you can get all of the things that are happening out here, go to gardentime.tv, and we will click you over to their website and come out and have a blast at the Pigtucky Derby. I'll get that right someday, won't I? Because it'll make you laugh a lot.